Gold yesterday has created a bullish candle, a strong bullish candle that has been started from 2550.00. The whole day the price was reaching higher price level, and we can see that the price reached a 2586.24 resistance level, and the price has ended the day as a bullish candle, and also a bullish candle with a close price above the previous close price of this candle, bearish candle, and also this open price of this bearish candle and the close price of this bullish candle. Now the price has also managed to go above this uptrend trend line, which I have explained yesterday, and the price has currently has started to move higher today, but we'll see how this day will end. For now, how the price looks bullish, because we have a strong bullish candle that has encompassed the previous 3 candles. We can see 4 candles if we take a look also on this one. 4 candles, which means a strong bullish momentum has entered into the market. So there is a high probability that today will be closed as a bullish candle again above 2586.24 a resistance level. The target above that is 2654.09 as a daily resistance level based on the expansion levels of the Fibonacci, but currently they are also 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame resistance levels that are in between this resistance and this support level, where we need to have a bullish breakout above them in order to reach to 654.09 a resistance level. Will it happen? We'll see on the daily basis, which means on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame will the price manage to make a bullish breakout. Now this bullish breakout yesterday, which has been created above this one, it's not completely above this resistance at this supply zone, which means there is also potentially that the price today reverses back down, which means if the price goes below this support level 2586.24 and at it here or below, this will mean that this bullish breakout above this area is failed. So I'm expecting that the price will continue to fall down even more. So today is very important day to see how the price behave, especially it's Friday when usually the traders goes outside of their trades, locking their profit before the week ends, so they are safe before the new week starts. Because of the weekend, anything can happen, so they would like to avoid this scenario. So this is potentially, if I'm going to see any kind of movement, it will be also in the morning and also afternoon. But for safety, I will also stop watching afternoon, because that is the day when the day is very close to end, so the week will close. So pay attention to this. It's Friday, so see you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.